In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can change country on Amazon. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna open your Amazon account, and then you wanna click here. As you can see, just move your mouse to this country here, like whatever country you see here, move your mouse to here, scroll down, click on change country and region, as you can see. All right, now you can change the country. As you can see, select your preferred country or region website. You can then change here to Canada or whatever country you want. And then after you finish choosing the country, we're just going to go with Australia. Click on go to website. As you can see here, guys, you have successfully changed it to Australia. You can also change it to Brazil. Go to website. As you can see here, guys, you have successfully changed it to Brazil. You can change it to, I would say, China. Again, click on go to website. As you can see, you have changed it to China. And you can also do that without even, like, you can just click here. Click on the country here in the top right. Click on country. It will take you to this page. And here you can select the language that you are comfortable with. And here you can select the currency. If you want, you can select the currency. Yeah, that's it. So that's exactly how you can change the country and how you can change the currency and also the language. To change the language, you just want to click here. It will take you to this page, and then you can change whatever you want here. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.